Meaning of Heineken.
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 Heineken. Heineken is a Dutch word that refers to a type of beer. The beer is named after its founder, Gerard Adriaan Heineken, who started brewing it in 1864. Heineken is a pale lager beer with a distinctive green bottle and red star logo. It is commonly enjoyed around the world and is known for its refreshing taste and smooth finish. As a global brand, Heineken sponsors major sporting events and music festivals, and is the official beer of the UEFA Champions League. Overall, Heineken is a well-known and widely consumed beer with a rich history and global presence.